Your air conditioning unit keeps you cool and comfortable all summer long. It's a technological marvel. Have you ever thought about how it works? Let's have a look inside. Your AC unit is made up of three key components: the compressor and the condenser, both located outside the home, and the evaporator coil mounted to the furnace inside the home. Copper piping connects the inside and outside units, which contains refrigerant. The refrigerant acts like a sponge and soaks up heat from the indoor air. It then carries the heat to the outside unit, whose job is to wring the heat out. The process is then repeated over and over until your house is cool. In effect, air conditioners don't create cold air. They draw heat out of the air in your home. In the cooling season, your air conditioner uses your furnace fan to move air in your home. This is why it's important to change your furnace filter on a regular schedule year-round. This will help your system to run more efficiently and help prevent breakdowns. If you have questions about your air conditioner, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.